Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens single box break number 837 of 13-14 Upper Deck of the Cup. The last team that ended the break was the Edmonton Oilers on April 25th at 7:01 p.m. Eastern Time, or sorry, Mountain Standard Time. Still haven't got that down yet. eBay's current date and time. Right, click, refresh, and it's currently Sunday, April 26th at 12:29 p.m. Eastern Time. We are streaming live on Breakers TV here, as per normal for our breaks. And for the people that have yet to register on our Breakers page, really appreciate you did. Just your account there. And we do have a 10-box mixer break for this Sunday here. So next week we will be gone for the Expo, so it'll be very few breaks except for maybe some ice breaks, which will be done during the Expo for some case promo breaks down there. And our serial numbers tonight are NE2213344142. So box number 4 for tonight. My case. Serial number tonight is NE13344142. So good luck everybody. Let's go over seal first. Okay, so we'll turn you guys around here. And we'll show you serial number one more time. Get started. Sorry, I'm just going to tilt you guys up a little bit more. Hopefully I'll focus. 41, 42. Good luck, guys and gals. Starting to build up again. So, there we go, guys. Really brilliant on there. So here we go. So we start off the break with a base card going out to the Edmonton Oilers of Grant Fuhr, number 85 of 249. Grant Fuhr. Our rookie auto patch going out to the Anaheim Ducks. It's Emerson Edom. Pretty filthy patch on that one. Emerson Edom for the Anaheim Ducks. Next one is a redemption. And it is a NHL Cup emblem of endorsement, number /15 of Sidney Crosby. I said there, going out to the Pittsburgh Penguins. So whoever's the Penguins, eBay message you the code if you like. Very nice hit there for Pittsburgh. Probably the big hit of the case. And our next one is a Brilliance Auto going out to the Devils of Corey Schneider. Corey Schneider for the Devils. And our next one is a Trios jersey going out to the Hurricanes. Cam Ward, Eric Stahl, and Elias Lindholm, 17 of 25. Carolina. All three of them are Carolina. And finish the tin off with a Enshrinement's autograph from 12/13. It's an update version of Grant Fuhr. 37 of 50 for the Edmonton Oilers. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So we got box 5 of the case tomorrow, last 2 boxes of ice, and probably be starting Ultimate again for a little bit. Well, until we get more ice back in stock after tomorrow night's breaks.